Ladies and gentlemen, we caught a very beautiful trade on gold right here on the 5 minutes time frame. As you can see, a 1 to 11 risk reward ratio. I'm going to show you what happened before all this right here. All right, so let's get started right now. So you can see that this trade was actually shared in our premium signals community right here. Let me just show you. So we had this beautiful trade right here. We had a nice rally based drop supplies on the break of structure, equal highs right here. Also the Asian session which was left behind right here, and the market came and took out the Asian high and came to our POI right here. And after this, guess what? We're able to send this signal with a 37 pips stop loss and 441 pips target. As you can see, the market continued to go in our direction. We continue to actually manage the trade, and guess what? The market continued to go in our direction, as you can see from here. Then eventually, the market kind of hesitated once it reached this level right here. A little bit of a retracement to the upside right here. But at the end of the day, the market ended up coming all the way to our take profit right here, which was just absolutely amazing. And every step of the way was shared in our premium signals community right here. All right, so now let's look at it. What prompted me to actually look for selling opportunities on this particular trade right here? If you're not aware by now, I always use the Asian session right here. So once the high of the Asian session is taken out, there's a very high chance that the market will go for the low of the Asian session. Therefore, my target is going to be below my low of the Asian session. If the low of the Asian session is taken out first, then I'm looking for buy. I'm going to look for a demand zone below the Asian session. So it determines basically my bias on that particular day, my daily bias. All right. So that's what happens every time. And I look for these particular setups right here. Okay. So this is what happened, and basically my order block was just here, and then I saw that this market had given us a rally based drop, which broke structure to the downside, and this was followed by these big momentum candles. Then there was equal highs right here. Then Asian high was taken out. Once the market came to my area, I was just able to execute, trusting fully my system. Did I know for sure that this market was going to go in my direction? No. All I was doing was simply executing my edge, and that's all I have. And for the target, I was targeting this low right here, and you can see that the market ended up going all the way to my target. And this way was taken yesterday, and we were able to hold it from yesterday, and today it hit TP right here. Otherwise, you missed out if you're not part of our premium signals community. You really missed out, because this was an amazing trade right here. All right, so if you'd like to join, there'll be links down in the description. And if you're not following our M&F Forex Traders 2.0, then you're also missing out, because the other page was actually taken out. Just in case you've been missing us, the other page was suspended. We don't know how long that's going to take. So you can do well to actually follow us on this particular page right here. It's M&F Forex Traders 2.0 with currently about 127 followers right here. And you can do that. You can do it to actually follow us for more updates. All right, so I hope you found value in this video, and if you have, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and comment in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.